In Korea, almost anything can come to your door in under an hour.
Here's how to actually order it as a foreigner. Delivery is a core part of daily life here, with food and shopping arriving incredibly fast. The two biggest food apps are Bayman, with the largest selection, and Coupang Eats, which is often faster. Coupang Eats also has better English support, making it easier to start. For long-term residents, you'll need a Korean phone number and bank card to pass identity verification. This process is called Bonin Injung, and it's a major hurdle for tourists. If you're visiting, your best bet is a friendly foreigner app like Shuttle Delivery, which accepts foreign cards. First, carefully enter your full address, including your building and unit number. Browse restaurants, add items to your cart, and head to checkout. Be sure to add a delivery note, like asking the driver to please leave it at your door. Beyond food, the main Coupang app is like the Amazon of Korea. Look for the blue rocket delivery icon for items that can arrive the very next morning. They also have Rocket Fresh for same-day or next-day grocery delivery. The most common mistake is assuming a tourist SIM or a foreign card will work on the main Korean apps. They usually won't register without that Korean identity verification. So for tourists, start with Shuttle, and for residents, set it up once you have your ARC, Korean number, and local card. For the full guide, current fees, app comparisons, and links, check the description. You'll find everything you need at koreabasics.com.